it's Rob here from North Coast Moto Classics. Today I got this gorgeous 1976 Kawasaki Z9. It's had a full nut bolt resto. As you can see, presents absolutely gorgeous. Motor's all been rebuilt, rebored, pistons, rings, gudgeons, etc. All the cases vapor blasted, outer cases all repolished, new outer case screws, carb stripped, vapor blasted, all the nuts and bolts re-zinced, new boots, air filter, oils, plugs, new cables, new repro exhaust, etc, repainted, rechrome. Just a beautiful bike. New chain sprockets, new badges, fuel tap. New fascias on the gauges. Paint job is really nice. 2-pack paint job.